Many restaurants use a sanitizing cleaning system, and today that's what I'll mimic and show you how to use that with Simix kitchen degreaser and a strip that tells you the correct level of hydrogen peroxide that sanitizes for your restaurant or your facility. As you can see on the QuantoFix strips, it gives you from 0 to 1,000 parts per million, and what you're looking for is anywhere between 100 to 600, and that'll clean and sanitize. Okay, now we'll put in a half a nano into 2 quarts of warm water, and then we'll do a measurement. Remember, we want to get between 800 and 600. Dip it in, shake it off. Then we take a measurement, and we are between 300 and 500 or so, which is fine for sanitizing. So now I'm going to take some of this grease and put it on this area and measure how dirty the surface is before we clean it. Back and forth, crisscross, turn it to get all the germs on it. So now after we collect, break the top and shake it. And give us a reading. And we get it in 15 seconds. Okay, so 408, that's pretty dirty. Now we'll clean and sanitize the surface. We'll grab the rag and we'll wipe the surface and get a measurement. So we'll wipe the surface. The surface is dried, now we'll take the test. So back and forth, turn it. Okay, and then mix the chemical, put it in to the hygienometer, and 15 seconds. So we basically wipe the surface, we let it dry, because that's, you gotta measure when the surface is dry. So this will simulate wiping counters at your restaurant. A 5. So now that surface is very clean using Simix kitchen degreaser, and we measured with QuantoFix strips that tells us their hydrogen peroxide at the correct levels for sanitizing. You can use this in your restaurant and feel comfortable knowing that you're cleaning and sanitizing the surfaces all in one step.